Hi everyone. What a black soul. Yes, indeed, we have a lot of black motorcycles rolling off the lot. But rarely has this color scheme been pulled through as consistently as it has been here. The basis is a current breakout, which is equipped with the powerful 114 cubic inches Milwaukee-Eight engine and with the longest wheelbase of the Softail series brings a nice line. Our customer from Dusseldorf wanted only a few bright accents. Here you go. Here we show you how this wish can be implemented relatively easily. The butt low, the arms up, the legs in front, the parts in black. The big changes are the parts from our own production, a handmade aluminum tank, a nose spoiler, the steel rear fender with integrated lighting and matching seat shell and the side license plate holder. Through him and through the exhaust system of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde with the short manifolds, the view of the fat 260 rubber is free. The Thunderbike Airride brings the rear down if desired and lowering the fork brings the front down. We put our Flip 2 handlebars on short risers and mounted grips, toppers and turn signals from our production. The many coated parts as well as the leather seat and side bag, custom made, from Jimi Spirit Leather round out the black soul. Thanks for watching.